can and can't do. I can run and jump, but I can't climb a tree or swim. Anna can sing and dance, but she can't swim. Peter can kick and catch a ball, but he can't ride a bike. I like learning new things. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.